A Talent Agency Guide. Chapter 1. Agents are entertainment industry gatekeepers. Agent and agency subcategories at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/agents_and_agencies. Subcategories: casting, comedy, fashion modeling, literature, magicians, music, photography, portfolio hosting, sports, voice talent. Agent and agency websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/agents_and_agencies. ActorsinAction.com, Actors in Action, LLC. Talent agency managing professional actors and models, Portland, or aka Talent.com, aka Talent Agency. apog.itgo.com, Apogee Entertainment Group. Management and production firm for actors, recording artists, and producers. ArtistKAgency.com, Art Ask Agency. ArtistUntied.com, Artist Untied. Represents hair and makeup artists, wardrobe stylists, production designers, and prop fabricators in San Francisco. AspenModels.com, Aspen Models Talent. A modeling and talent agency. Aspen and Telluride, Colorado. CircuitPM.co.uk, Circuit Personal Management. A cooperative actors agency located in the United Kingdom. ElizabethSmith.co.uk, Elizabeth Smith Model Agency. A child modeling agency representing young talent. Located in the United Kingdom. BaronEntertainment.com, Baron Entertainment. BeyondScreen.com. Database for matching TV shows with prospective guests. BusyKids.com, Busy Kids. A modeling agency representing young adults and children. CastleHillAgency.com, Castle Hill Enterprises. Represents actors, variety performers, and musicians for film, television, theater, and commercials. Clowns4Kids.com, Clowns for Kids. Party entertainment for children provided by clowns and magicians. Covertop.com, Covered Operations, Ltd. Provides show production, artist management, and talent booking services for stage shows, corporate presentations, and special events. DREntertainment.com, DR Entertainment. A full-service entertainment agency and management company that provides entertainers and musicians for all venues including specialty acts. BookEast.com, ECE. East Coast Entertainment. Provides representation of talent and live entertainment for private parties and special events. FocusHawaii.com, Focus International Hawaii. Represents models, talent, and support professionals for print, film, and live performances. THeGrableGroup.com, The Grable Group. Representation and marketing agency for artists, comedians, and speakers. Franklin, Tennessee. HollywoodNorthExtras.com, Hollywood North Extras Incorporated. A movie extras talent agency based in Vancouver, BC. IWannaBeFamous.com, I Wanna Be Famous. One person is featured every day, with the attempt to make them famous. Actors.co.nz, Karen K Management Ltd. Management agency for actors, presenters, and personalities in New Zealand. Menshour.ca, L Agents Menshour Agency Ltd. Represents bilingual actors, voice artists, writers, directors, and translators. Light-Zone.com, Light Zone Productions. Entertainment agency with large broad selection of acts. MarkGogol.com, Mark Gogol Enterprises. Management agency for performers in Australia. MonarchTalent.com, Monarch Talent Consulting. Honolulu, Hi. NutsLtd.com, Nuts Ltd. A non-union talent service providing voice-over and on-camera talent in the Upper Midwest. Omnipop.com, Omnipop Talent Agency. National talent agency for actors, actresses, comedians, and musicians. PamPulaner.com, Pam Pulner and Associates. A media search agency representing television news, weather, and sports personalities applying for network positions. Reactors.ie, Reactors Acting Agency. Dublin, Ireland. VivianCLore.com, The Richard Stone Partnership. Portfolio of artists from London talent agent specializing in comedy and multi-skilled presenters. SharonKleinProductions.com, Sharon Klein Productions. A full-service event planning and booking agency. StationAve.com, Station Avenue Productions. Booking agents for celebrities and corporate events, includes references and testimonials. TalentTrek.com, Talent Trek Agency. Talent agency representing actors and models for TV, radio, print, and promotions. TriangleTalent.com, Triangle Talent Incorporated. A Louisville, Kentucky entertainment booking and production company. Venues.ca, Venues. Provides conferences, entertainment, and special events for corporations and associations. WestsideTalent.com.au, Westside Talent. Entertainment specialists managing bands, comedians, and celebrities. WMEagency.com, WME. Represents clients in all segments of the entertainment industry. WolfandCompany.com, Wolf and Company. Represents artists in the areas of photography, illustration, and film. XXICenturyEnt.com, XXI Century Entertainment. Produces model and actor showcase events to introduce new faces to agents, managers, and casting directors in the entertainment industry. Casting agent websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/agents_and_agencies/casting. CreativeImageManagement.com, Creative Image Management. Casting and personal management for movie, cable, and late-night TV actresses. NativeCelebs.com/casting, Native Celebs Casting. Casting resource for Native American actors. PeterBezemsCasting.com, Peter Bezem's Casting. Casting, talent selection and coordination services for producers of theatrical motion pictures, television, theater, commercials, industrial films, and print. Celebrity.co.uk, The Celebrity Group. A European casting agency representing musicians, speakers, sports stars, comedians, and entertainers. ElaineCraig.com, Elaine Craig Voice Casting Incorporated. Specializes in casting voices for TV and radio commercials, animation, and feature films. LostishTalent.com, Lostish Talent. A booking and talent agency representing a variety of musicians, entertainers, and performers. Nationally. LostishTalent.com, Lostish Talent. A booking and talent agency representing a variety of musicians, entertainers, and performers nationally. ModeloGICWilhelmina.com, ModeLogic. Full-service casting agency in Richmond, Virginia. Productions-plus.com, Productions Plus. A national talent and casting agency for auto shows, conventions, trade shows and special events. StarkNakedProductions.com, Stark Naked Productions. Specializes in casting for film, theater, television, industrials, voiceovers, and commercials. New York City. TaylorRoyal.com, Taylor Royal Casting. A talent agency located in Baltimore casting models, actors, and voice talent for commercials, industrials, movies and print jobs. TotalCasting.ca, Total Casting. A Canadian firm that provide talent searches and casting services for producers of feature films, television, commercials, and variety entertainment. Model agent websites at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/models/agents_and_agencies. Subcategories. Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, South America. ClickModel.com, global offices including New York City, Atlanta, Paris, and Sao Paulo representing men and women for editorial and runway campaigns with a Plus division. EliteModel.com, Elite. Editorial and commercial agency features women from global offices and represents men in New York City only. FordModels.com, Ford. Global offices represent women, men, and children for editorials and parts assignments and include Plus divisions. MarylandAgency.com, Maryland, and MGM. Paris and New York City offices of Maryland represent an international roster of women runway and print models. MetropolitanModels.com, Metropolitan. Represents women from major editorial and commercial offices in Paris and New York, Hamburg, and Frankfurt. NextManagement.com, Next. Roster of men and women available for runway and editorial work from offices in New York City, Paris, and London. WOMNmanagement.com, Women. International offices in New York, Paris, and Milan represent women for runway, editorial and advertising campaigns.